of the story is your lace is not always gonna look put together. See? But if you a bad bitch, you can pull off anything. This looks a mess. I ripped the lace, but it's okay. They're like, good. It's like every time I turn the camera on, here come everybody talking, screaming, yelling. Ah, cut my face. What kind of cap is this? Now, we are gonna begin the cutting of the lace. Ow. What lace? What lace? Exactly. Yo, it was backbreaking labor. Like, oh my God, I felt like a surgeon. I had to do a whole 360, literally. No, a whole 360 because I had to start from the beginning. And here we are. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today, first of all, it's my birthday, and so I'm getting, you know, all my ducks in a row for dinner tonight. So we will be installing the Cloud 9 What Lace. What's her name? Morgan. In the color Flamboyagecaramel. And this is the color. I wanted it a little more blonde, but this is okay. So this is the construction of the wig, and this is the lace right here. And this is the hairline. First thing I'm gonna do, I should wash it, but I don't. I'm gonna tint the lace. So how I tint the lace, I take Even New York tinted lace aerosol spray, and this is the color dark brown. I grab, well, since this is here, this is perfect. So when you spray this, it sometimes seeps into the hair. So I take, you know, some paper, flip it over, and then I start spraying. So it doesn't like run into the other side too bad. And I'm not used to these kind of lace because I usually have the T part with the lace, but this is a whole free part. There's no, you can do whatever you want with it. That's what that looks like. And see, on the other side, so that's why, you know, you kind of get some on the other side, and then kind of dab it in. Rub it in a little bit. And yeah, so there's that. And that's the work I do off the head. I was gonna flat iron this. I ordered the wrong wig. I wanted a straight one, but this has like a little curl to it. But we'll let it rock. Let's see. See, this is the thing about, hold on. This is the thing about free part. I don't necessarily like it because I don't know. This looks a mess. I don't know what way I want it parted. Do it like this. I see this looks a mess. Yeah, see, like with the ball cap, and I don't do ball cap methods. I don't have time, I don't have patience, and I find it unnecessary because it just never stays how I want it anyway, and I don't use. Okay, so since I don't use glue, I'm gonna use Got To Be gel as the glue. Oh my god. And see, the thing about my hairline is like it goes here, like, so it's weird. So I really want this wig to look laid. Like, I really want it to be it, you know, like almost arrogant take. Even though I'm not him, that's what we're going for. So I'm gonna have to do this in the mirror. I cannot do this in the camera. The camera. And I went ahead and just raw dogged the wig because sometimes the ball cap works without the ball cap method, and sometimes it doesn't. So, alright, I'll let that dry a little bit and blow dry. Y'all know the deal with the blow dryer. I don't have to go through that, but that's the first layer. So, I'll let that dry and come back. I ripped the lace, but it's okay. So I have the 3 layers of Got To Be on here. God damn it. I need a hair tie. This. Now I'm pissed off. Okay. Good lord. Not product buildup. I'm gonna tie this down. This lace be so itchy. They're like, goodness gracious. Okay. I'm gonna let that simmer, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna start. I should have cut this before I laid it. All right, I need the mirror. I can't do this. On camera. On the camera.
You're breaking the camera.
It's like every time I turn the camera on, here come everybody talking, screaming, yelling. Ow. Cut my face. Bro, are you kidding me? Oh, that's kind of where my edges are though. Alright, I'm gonna do this in sections. Got this even Wonderlace Bond Adhesive Spray Extreme Firm Hold Active. They have a black one, but I don't need my lace to last that long. It's never that serious to me, personally. Hold up. Bro, come. What kind of cap is this? What was that? Yeah. Smell good. I don't know what even got going on with these caps. They need to cut it out. It's not that serious. Now, we are gonna begin the cutting of the lace. Ow. Don't rip my edges out. What lace? What lace? Exactly. Hey, you're starting to piss me off. Oh my, this is what pisses me off about not cutting the lace first and laying it down because it's stuck. And what about it? The wig comes with baby hairs, but I always lose them. Like, this just is not working for me at all. The thing about it is, my edge is right here. Like, I can't. It always ruins it because I can't cut around it. Alright, we're done. We're done. We're done. I think this took me like 2 hours because I had to start over. But this is her. And yes, thank you for sticking with this video. It was backbreaking labor. Like, oh my God, I felt like a surgeon. I had to do a whole 360, literally. No, a whole 360 because I had to start from the beginning. And here we are. Thank you for watching and see you next time.